Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. I'm very happy that there are so many people out there who genuinely wants the real knowledge of binary trading, but the sad part is a lot of them are still getting scammed, and that really breaks my heart. So I've started this channel to provide quality trading knowledge and guidance. Today's video is about short patterns, how to use them correctly, and the logic behind them. But before that, if you have not joined my Telegram channel yet, the link is mentioned down below. Also, if you want daily short signals, then you can create a QUOTEX account through my link. Minimum deposit is only $20 and send me your trader's ID. Okay, so now coming back to the video, first I'll explain the patterns properly, and then if there's any opportunity in real chart, I'll take some trade as example, so that it'll be very easy for you to understand. So without further delay, let's get started with our patterns. Okay, the first type of pattern is two green hammer, which closed below our resistance area. If you see here, I have drawn a picture here, so that will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, two green hammer. There's a little bit mistake in this chart, so there's written two red hammers, but no, two green hammers which closed below our resistance area. Okay, what is a hammer candle? A hammer candle which has longer wicks than the body. Okay, here the hammer candle you have to identify, and there needs to be strong resistance, okay, and strong support. Most probably this short works in a ranging market, channeling up, channeling down, doesn't matter. There needs to be a ranging market. When the market is boosting up with green candle, and if you spot two hammers like this which has got longer wick than its body and closed below a resistance, then you can take next trade for a red candle. That will be your reversal trade. Okay, if the trade goes lost, then you can take MTG 100%. Okay, because in OTC market there's a lot of manipulation going on, and by verifying with the candlestick reaction, you can take MTG shot as well. But this shot really works very well. I really like this shot, and I personally use this. Okay, here the wick doesn't matter, but the wick size needs to be twice as big as the body size, and there needs to be at least some space to the support for the next candle to form red. Okay, for the reversal trade. So this is short pattern one. Okay, and the next short pattern will be same but with the red candle. Okay, here the logic is same, but here there needs to be two red hammer which closed above our support, and next trade we will be taking for a call option trade. Okay, this is the logic. When the market is going down and at the end of the market there is a strong support which you have drawn, okay, in the chart, and then you spot two hammers which has wicks twice the size of body. Okay, and both of the hammers closed above our support area. Okay, the color needs to be red. Okay, two hammers, there should not be any reversal with the hammer pattern. There needs to be two red hammer, there needs to be very strong support, and then you can take the next trade for the reversal trade. That would be for the call option trade for the green candle. Okay, like so. This is our second short pattern. Okay, here the resistance, the space between the resistance and the next candle formation, there needs to be at least some space so that you can take trade for the green candle. Okay, this is the logic. It's very easy, very simple. If I find this pattern in live market, then I'll surely take trade. Okay, and the third kind of pattern is three green candles. Okay, doesn't matter if the green candle is hammer or a normal candle or spinning top, it doesn't really matter. There needs to be one support, there needs to be one resistance which should be very strong when the market is trending up. Okay, and you spot three green candles, but the last green candles, there needs to be no upper wick. Okay, and it should close below the resistance. You see this candle, this is a headless green candle. Okay, and it closed below our resistance with only lower wick. Okay, doesn't matter if the candle is hammer, it can be a normal green candle, but a headless green candle closed below our resistance area, then the next trade you will be taking for a reversal trade. Okay, and if you take the common point of wick, okay, the last green candle, if it closed below the common point of this green candle, then the short will be very, very strong, and you can take a reversal trade as well. Okay, but the green candle needs to be a headless green candle with only lower wick and no upper wick. Okay, this is the third kind of short pattern which I really like and which I really use in OTC market. Okay, the wick size doesn't really matter. Okay, it can be bigger, smaller, but the logic here is all the three green candles should close below our resistance area. Okay, and the last green candle should be like a ice cream stick, which has only lower wick and no upper wick. Now the fourth kind of pattern, it's the same, just the reverse version of the third short pattern. Red, three red candle, the color needs to be same. Okay, three red candle closed above our support area, and the last red candle, there needs to be only upper wick and no lower wick. Okay, three red candles. And if you take the common point of the wick, if the last red candle closed below our common point of all the three common, that short will be very, very strong. Okay, but the last candle needs to be like a ice cream stick, but in the inverted manner. It's not a hammer, but the lower wick, there should not be any lower wick. Okay, headless, and there needs to be longer upper wick, and the body size does not matter. Okay, but it should close above our support area, and the next trade you will be taking for reversal trade. This is a very strong shot. You can find this shot in OTC market so many times. I've used it personally. So now let's go to our live chart and try to find some short pattern and trade according to the patterns, okay, which I have explained earlier. So here if you see the current chart, there is two reversal happened here, and this can be considered as a strong support area. If I see the current running candle, it looks like a hammer, not a proper hammer, but it looks like a hammer, ice cream stick candle, and I'll be taking 5% risks to my capital here. Okay, and let's take a trade, call option trade here. So this would be my 50-50 short. Okay, because the previous candle which formed is not a proper hammer, it's like ice cream stick, which can be 50-50 short here. But to show you a clear example how you can place trade, I have taken a trade at the opening of the candle, and now I am making sure that the next will be my marginal entry, because the candle made a gap down entry, correct? And side by side you have to keep analyzing the candle movement. Okay, candle reaction. Okay, let's see. This would be my 50-50 shot. As I've already said, this can be a strong support here because market reversed twice, and this is the third time market reversed. Okay, if this trade goes in loss, I'll be taking my martingale trade here right now. I think this QUOTEX is giving me some trouble. The candle is not moving as smoothly as it should be. Okay, now I have placed 4 trades here, 5% risk to my capital. Why? Because my previous trade was lost, and now this trade will be as my martingale trade. I'm very sure about this trade because if you see the last red candle, it is a hammer candle which closed above our support area. Okay, and the buyers already entered the market. If you see the previous green candle, okay, if you see the logic behind this trade, this logic looks similar to what I have explained in my short pattern. If the pattern is found, it's very good, but you can put the same logic to any chart and trade accordingly. Okay, and this is 100% ITM trade. Okay, so now two hammer formed above our support area means that I can place one more trade here. The candle made a gap up entry. Okay, Quotex is glitching, it's giving me serious problem right now, but nevertheless my trade is placed a little bit late, but it's okay. This is going to be 100% short item because this is a short pattern which I have mentioned earlier. Okay, two hammers back to back, two hammers above our support area. This is a very strong shot, and this is 100% ITM trade. Same chart, I have taken two trades back to back. You see, the chart is stuck. I think there is some sort of problem with my Quotex today, but it's okay. This is a big victory and perfect shot, guys. You can try this in your demo account and let me know in the comment box below, okay, if you have tried this shot. I'll explain you one more time with a screenshot. Okay, the same trade, why I've taken this trade, so that it'll be very clear, because this is a very powerful shot, and if you master this, I am sure you will be very profitable with this particular shot. Okay, so for clear visibility I have changed the color of the support yellow. Okay, let me grab a pen here and I'll explain you candle by candle. So what happened previously, there was reversal once, reversal twice, correct? So I can consider this as a very strong support. So in a line to the support, there was one green hammer, correct? One red candle closed above our support, and after that there was a reversal with one green candle that looked like a hammer, but it's not a hammer. And next trade I took for call option, which was in loss, but since the red candle closed above our support, I took confirmed MTG trade, and that was win. And if you see the MTG trade candle closing, it is a pure hammer which closed again above our support, and the next candle was a big victory. So the logic is, I wanted to hammer which closed above a support, a strong support. Here we do not take a normal support, we need a very strong support. Okay, at least two touches. So the same situation happened. Two hammer closed above our support, and the next candle we took same direction trade, and that was a big victory with a big green candle. Okay, hammer color actually doesn't really matter, but if there was two red hammer, it would be 100%. But still, if you confirm it with candle reaction and the color is different, it doesn't really matter. We'll just go with the major trend. Okay, we will follow the major trend and we will surely get victory here like this. Okay, we got victory with our green candle, and that was a very big victory. So like this, if you see the logic behind this pattern, this two pattern, which was a hammer, correct, which closed above our support, then you can take trade for the next candle, and that'll be 100% short ITM trade. Okay, but remember, you need to see the major trend alignment as well. Okay, so now let's go and find another shot. We will be only looking for the shot which I have explained here. You see, there's a perfect example. I want a green candle just like ice cream stick, which I have explained. Okay, there's a reversal. I can consider this green line as a strong resistance. Okay, see, perfect. This is the shot I was talking about. Okay, this is a reversal happen. I can consider this as a strong resistance. The major trend is downtrend. I was I'm very sure about this shot. If you see the last green candle, it looks like ice cream stick, longer lower wick but very minor small upper wick. And I'm going to take my marginal safety entry here as well, and this is going to be 100% short item trade, because there is two confirmation. One, the major trend is downtrend, market is bearish, and the second confirmation is the short pattern which I have explained, and the last green candle is a hammer, kind of like a hammer with longer lower wick and very short upper wick, and closed below our resistance area. So many confluences, so many confirmations, which is why I've taken this shot, and this is 100% sure shot ITM trade. I'll explain this short with a screenshot so that'll be very easy for you to understand. Okay, guys. So if you see here, the market is in a complete downtrend situation. Okay, there was reversal once, and we can take this as a strong resistance, because in downtrend market resistance is very strong, okay, compared to the support. So there was couple of green candles moving along with the line, and the last green candle closed below our resistance area, and it looked like an ice cream stick with longer lower wick and almost no upper wick. So next trade we can take for a reversal trade here, this red candle, and that was a perfect shot, 100% ITM. And guys, like this, you can take this shot in your live trading. First you have to practice this in your demo account, and you can see the result yourself. Okay, how perfect this shot is, correct? And I don't want to make this video long. If you want more short pattern, comment me down below. I'll be happy to help. And also you can join my Telegram channel for more updates and daily short. You can create a QUOTEX account through my link. Minimum deposit is only $20, and send me a trader ID. And with this, I'm signing out for today. I will be coming up with more short patterns like this, more trading videos. And with this, I wish you happy trading.